Have you ever found yourself asking the question, what's the best way to pack, or where should I put things in my bag? Hello, I'm Naomi from Thomas Travel, and this is Minutes with the Manager. I just wanted to give you a few tips and tricks that I've learnt along the way and what I recommend to my clients when they travel. So firstly, did you know that if you roll your clothes, you'll get the most efficient use out of the space in your suitcase? Also, when packing your clothes, consider layering your clothes. Instead of having 10 different outfits, just have a few that you can change the layering with. Remember, always take comfortable shoes because it is inevitable that you'll be walking long distances. With cash, make sure that you don't carry more cash than what your travel insurance policy covers you for. Generally speaking, most travel insurance policies cover you for around $200 Australian. So be mindful not to carry more than that, otherwise you risk losing it. And the last thing is, with water bottles, if you want to take water with you, through customs and security, you're allowed to take an empty water bottle. So carry an empty water bottle through, and when you get through security and customs, you can then fill your water bottle up on the other side. My best and most interesting travel tip though is travel the world and create memories that you will love.